Hello everyone. Today we'll be going to see how to use Milling 3+2 Drill Wizard feature. So now we'll go for a camp technology that is milling. And here we'll select the process, selecting the toolpath with Rapid Z ABS to the value 200 and toolpath type will be 3+2. Let's go with Drill Wizard process, and then we'll confirm the process. Once you confirm, we will be getting the tiles. So here you can see the templates and template information, templates, parameters, and you can select the restrictions of the templates. Then you can see all types of drill as it's selected, and you can select template. Ask for the till and to create the process, you can just click on accept and calculate it to install. Select entire the process in one shot. If you want to change some of the tool parameter, so you can directly go for the parameter and select the distance. Here we are selecting advanced parameter option. From here we change the value of safety distance to 20. And just calculating the process to get the safety environment for the drilling. So, once it calculates, you can see all the process has been created. Next, we will see how to set the stock in this process. I am selecting the geometry, and I am defining the stock by selecting the contour. So, I am selecting the top contour and confirming randomly. It has been created the value of the stock by selecting the height on Z level. You can select the portion. And now I am giving the height, and the stock, entire stock has been selected. Then you can just calculate the process, and this process is done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Thank you.